A beginner's guide to artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence and machine learning have become buzzwords in the tech industry in recent years, and for good reason. These technologies have the potential to transform the way we live and work. From improving healthcare and transportation to enhancing cybersecurity and customer service. In this beginner's guide, we'll provide an overview of AI and ML, explain how they work, and explore their real-world applications. What is artificial intelligence, AI? Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. What is machine learning, ML? Machine learning is a subset of AI that involves the development of algorithms that can learn from data without being explicitly programmed. ML algorithms are trained on large datasets to identify patterns and make predictions or decisions. There are three types of ML: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning involves training an algorithm on labeled data, while unsupervised learning involves training an algorithm on unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning involves training an algorithm through trial and error based on feedback from the environment. How do AI and ML work? AI and ML rely on data to make decisions or predictions. The more data an algorithm has access to, the better it can perform. AI and ML algorithms are often designed to work in conjunction with other technologies, such as sensors, cameras, and natural language processing tools. These technologies help to gather and process data that can be used to train and improve the algorithm. Real-world applications of AI and ML. Healthcare. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are playing an increasingly important role in healthcare. These technologies can help healthcare providers to improve diagnosis, treatment, and patient outcomes, while reducing costs and improving efficiency. AI and ML can be used to analyze large amounts of medical data, including patient records, medical images, and genetic data, to identify patterns and make predictions. This can lead to earlier and more accurate diagnosis, personalized treatment plans, and improved patient outcomes. Additionally, AI and ML can be used to automate routine tasks, such as administrative work and data entry, freeing up healthcare providers to focus on patient care. Transportation. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are being increasingly used in the transportation industry to optimize traffic flow, improve logistics, and develop autonomous vehicles. AI and ML algorithms can analyze traffic patterns and predict congestion, allowing for more efficient route planning and traffic management. Additionally, autonomous vehicles rely on AI and ML to perceive and navigate their environment, making them safer and more efficient. With the continued development of these technologies, we can expect to see even more significant advancements in transportation in the years to come. Cybersecurity. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are being increasingly utilized in the field of cybersecurity. With the rise of cyber threats and attacks, organizations are turning to AI and ML to help detect and prevent security breaches. These technologies can also be used to automate threat response, making it easier and faster for security teams to identify and respond to attacks. Additionally, AI and ML can be used to develop more advanced authentication and encryption methods, making it harder for hackers to gain unauthorized access to sensitive data. Overall, AI and ML are becoming essential tools in the fight against cybercrime. Customer service. AI, artificial intelligence, and ML, machine learning, are transforming customer service by providing businesses with powerful tools to enhance customer interactions, reduce costs, and improve efficiency. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can provide customers with 24/7 support, answering frequently asked questions, and providing personalized recommendations. These tools can also analyze customer data to identify patterns and trends, helping businesses to make informed decisions about product development and customer service strategies. ML algorithms can be trained on vast amounts of customer data to detect anomalies and predict customer behavior, enabling businesses to proactively address issues before they become problems. Overall, AI and ML are revolutionizing the customer service industry by providing businesses with the tools they need to improve the customer experience and stay ahead of the competition. Finance. AI and ML, artificial intelligence and machine learning, have emerged as powerful tools in the finance industry, enabling financial institutions to automate decision-making processes, analyze large data sets, and provide more personalized services to their clients. AI and ML algorithms can be used for tasks such as fraud detection, risk assessment, investment analysis, and credit scoring, allowing financial institutions to streamline their operations and reduce costs. By harnessing the power of AI and ML, the finance industry is able to provide faster, more accurate, and more reliable services to their clients, ultimately leading to improved customer satisfaction and better financial outcomes. In conclusion, artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are rapidly changing the way we live and work. From healthcare to transportation to cybersecurity, AI and ML are being used to improve efficiency, accuracy, and security. As these technologies continue to evolve, their potential applications will only continue to expand.